Alright, so don't send airtime to anyone through your Momo, but just send it or transfer it from your Momo account to yourself. You use this process to transfer to others or anyone who asks you to do airtime. You know the ladies. If I say the reason behind this, the ladies will get to know. So let's get started. Also, you pay less when you do it this way. So let's get started. How to transfer your airtime to others. So you go to your dialer and dial star 198 hash. So we wait for a while. Some options will pop up, then we go to them. Alright, so we have activate as the first option, transfer, change, and exit. So let's start with the activate. So first activate before. So you choose a new pin. After choosing the new pin, they will ask you to re-enter the new pin. Yes, after then you see you have now activated me to use service. Welcome. Then you click on OK. Then you dial star 198 hash. Then you send. Then we are going to the second option, that is transfer. So I'll just click on transfer, that's option 2, and send. After then I enter the receiver number, then down to our the receiver number, I enter the amount. After the amount, I'll enter the decimals, then I'll enter pin for to continue, then I'll confirm, then I'll receive a message that I've successfully transferred to this number. My balance is whatever. So this is the screenshot of the person's, and also I will receive an SMS from Evd, that's MTN. So let's go and check. So this is it. I've successfully transferred 5 point whatever to that number. Alright, so we are going to check the third option too, that's the change pin. So we dial star 198, then we go to the change pin, that's the option 3. We enter 3, then we send. Right, so 3, then send. After that, they would ask you to enter your old pin. So I'll enter, and after that they'll ask you to enter your new pin as well. Then you confirm your new pin. Yes. So you will see you have changed your pin code. So you click on OK. Hope you enjoy this video. So thank you.